Hey guys, this is Keeg Sweeney 3328, and I just got back from vacation, and I found a lot of very interesting rocks while I was up in Traverse City. And these rocks are from last year. This is a fossil right here. You just can't see it because it's not wet. I picked up this one because of its shell little imprint thing right there. This is a rusty nail that I stepped on. Some rocks in here, a couple shells. But I think I found a lot more interesting stuff this year. This is the bag that my dad was using. Put all of the stuff that he found in there. This is a Leland blue right here. It's called a Leland blue because you find them in Leland, and most of them are blue. I don't know if you can see that it's blue. But you see the glossy holes and everything? Because it's slag glass byproduct from separating iron from the ore. And here's another bag right here. This is one of my bags that I found. I didn't find this right here. This is little aluminum right here, and then the whole thing's aluminum, but this really stands out. There's a bit of aluminum right there. I'm thinking that was just dumped into the lake when they were in the iron business and everything. This is a whole entire piece of horn coral right here. My brother thought it was a tooth first time he saw it, but it was just laying there in the sand when I was looking. And here is a whole entire bag of 45 Petoskey stones that I found. Most of them were on Glen Lake, which is connected to Lake Michigan. And millions and millions of years ago, the glaciers were actually dropped the coral in Glen Lake and into Lake Michigan. So that's why you find them in Glen Lake also. And you can't really see the details and everything because they're dry. But if I get one of these wet, you can see everything in there. You can just sort of see it. Here's my favorite Petoskey stone that I found, one of my favorites, because you can see it when it's dry. You can see all the detail and everything. It's kind of hard to see on the camera though. So, another one. So, yep. Here's another bag of rocks. Here's some books that I was using to look up all the rocks in Michigan. Here. This is another piece of horn coral, but as you see, this one isn't very, it's kind of in another rock. But if you look at the other one I found, this one right here, this is a bigger sample right here, but you can see the whole entire horn coral fossil. You don't see many of these. The whole entire fossils that you usually find are on land. You have to dig for those, but I actually found it in the water, which is pretty cool. And this one I also found in the water. So just a little horn coral. Then just a bunch of different types of rocks, and this is limestone right here, and to tell if it's limestone or not, you have to put it in vinegar and it'll dissolve, and I'll test that. I'll get the stuff out for that. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm about to put the limestone into the water here. You can see that it's dissolving in the water, and that's how you know it's limestone. Or not the water, but the vinegar here. And all you need is any type of vinegar. Now, as you can see, I'm using apple cider vinegar. I guess that works pretty good. And I think I have some rocks that are part limestone and part something else. Maybe some kind of sedimentary rock formed in with limestone. Because it doesn't fully dissolve in the vinegar, but it still does emit some sort of bubbles and stuff. So yeah, I think it's done. You have to take it out and then dry it off and then put it back in there again to dissolve it more. If you leave it in there, it takes such a long time for it to dissolve. So, yep, that's about it for today. I'll see you guys later.